Alright guys, welcome back. If you haven't seen the last video, I'll just give you cliff notes right here, unless you just want to go back and watch it. Last race, I said luck wasn't on our side. Uh, it wasn't, but that's part of racing. So hopefully we have one fixed already. Looking to do some testing with it if rain doesn't get us this week. But there's something else in the works also. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of it right here. Another sneak peek. There'll be more on that one later as the process goes further along. But for now, we're going to get in here, get started on Brooks' car, see what the damage is, and hopefully just basically whatever it is. I mean, it's obviously going to have to be fixed. So we're hoping it's not too bad, but I know she is looking to upgrade some stuff anyway. So let the fun begin.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, see if we can find any shavings in it with a magnet.
Shavings on the magnet.
Oh, there we go. Wow. Yep.
Yeah, showing your ring gear.
There it is. Piece of it anyway.
That's a piece of gear. Yeah, it took the gear heads off of it. It couldn't be that damn bad. I mean, cost that much. If you buy the whole unit, it might be. If you buy that, be able to buy a gear set. You probably get more out of it.
Process has begun. What you say down there, June?
Hey.
Yeah, get this thing apart here in just a few minutes, see what she looks like. You ready for this?
I better be, I guess. Not halfway, or not halfway, but
They're working on it.
Yeah.
They're working on it. They're getting it there.
I just got here.
I know. How bad do you think it's going to be? What is the least amount of damage you'd like to see? None, really. But
Yeah, we're already discovered there's damage.
yeah. Yeah, there is for sure.
Well, I don't know.
Worst, least worst case, axle, but
Hopefully they're fine though.
yeah.
I would rather save the axles for another time.
So that leads us to, on the inside of the diff.
Something is definitely broken on the inside.
Yep.
Robbie drained the fluid out of it, and it's got metal pieces all in it.
Yeah. Yeah. Actually, I got that on video.
Oh, yeah, I wasn't here for that.
No, you wasn't here for that one.
How's that work?
Yeah, I'll definitely. They'll definitely see that one. So. June said we're gonna JB weld it back together. But ring gear or something. I mean, a few more minutes.
Oh no.
We either go.
For sure.
We either see you smiling, mad, smiling, mad, smiling, cry.
We're already planning on a new diff, so
Yeah.
hopefully nothing more. We're trying to make a race here.
We always try to make a race.
Well, an important race for me that I want to go to. The stick shift race is in 2 weeks.
Full tilt.
I'm not racing that.
You're not racing that?
No.
Oh, you're talking about the airport.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Two
the airport.
weeks.
That's a good race. Yeah. We're gonna quit jawing here for a minute and getting ready to figure out something here. Well, is that a differential, or what'd you call it?
That's a ham.
Ham. Anybody want a slice of ham here?
It's bleeding.
Yeah. Cover off here in just a few minutes, and it's like winning the lottery right here. Spider gears.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. There you go. Well, I guess we're going to have a diff for the Camaro, as y'all can see. We're going to move on to this Corvette right here. The guys installed a set of Frankenstein heads, tick cam, A&A setup. Should make a pretty good number. Got to get this part in there. Stock bottom end LS1 for you guys out there. So we know it's on this. It's going to have a limit there. May make too much. We may have to back it down just a little bit to get some pulls made on a dyno and see how she does. So what do you think with the setup on this car?
Pretty good.
It's pretty stout and efficient, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You'd like to have this for a daily.
Nope.
Stick shift car.
Can't daily a Corvette.
Huh?
Can't daily a Corvette.
You would, just because it's stick shift.
Nope.
Yeah, you would.
Nope. Still Corvette.
Still a Corvette. Oh, you'd have fun though.
Yeah. It's pretty basic setup. So
It's pretty what?
pretty basic setup.
And it's working really well.
Yeah. I've seen built motor cars make this kind of power.
Well, sometimes it's just all in the setup.
Mm-hmm.
You having trouble?
Y'all putting some final touches on this thing or arguing under there?
We argue.
Gosh.
We get along good when we argue. Don't we, Robbie? We're like two peas in a pod.
That's what you think.
Well, you still love me, I know that. Okay. That's fine. I can live with you.
Well, you're gonna have to live with it.
That's life.
And life goes on.
Mm-hmm.
All right, before we show you the numbers on the car here, I can definitely tell you guys, if you've ever been here at the shop or been around at the track, good or bad, we're going to have fun and enjoy doing what we're doing. But while Robbie was tuning the car, he noticed that the duty cycle on the injectors was above 90%. But we're going to show you what it made, where it sets right now, and I think he's going to back it down just a little bit. And you know, somewhere down the line, the customer gets ready, you know, upgrade the fuel system just a little bit, but if they're going to be happy where it's at right now, we'll just leave it alone, let them enjoy it. So let's show you some numbers. There we go, 649, 512.